Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic for today is refractive index, but before going to that, you have to have some idea of refraction as well. Uh, what is refraction? Refraction is the change in direction of wave passing from one medium to another. So there is the incident ray, and after a part of it is reflected back. Okay, so a part of it enters the medium and it changes its path. Look at that, it is bending. So this property is known as refraction, and the angle which the incident ray makes is known as the angle of incidence, and it is denoted by I. And the angle that the refracted ray makes is known as the angle of refraction, and it is denoted by R, and this is the normal line. So what is refractive index? Measure of the bending of a ray of light when passing from one medium into another medium. If I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, the refractive index is defined as the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction, and is equal to sine I by sine R. Refractive index is also equal to the velocity of light, which is c, divided by velocity v in a substance, or n is equal to c by v. How you measure the refractive index of liquids? Abbe's refractometer. So Abbe refractometer was the first laboratory instrument for the precise determination of refractive index of liquids. The measuring principle of an Abbe's refractometer is based on the principle of total reflection. Abbe's refractometers are used for measuring the refractive index of liquids. The light from a radiation source is reflected by a mirror and hits a double prism. A few drops of the sample are placed between double prisms. The incident beams pass through the double prism and sample only if their angle of incidence are less than the critical angle. A microscope and a mirror with a suitable mechanism are used to determine the light-dark boundary line. The operator of the Abbe's refractometer adjusts the mirror with the help of rotatory knob until the light and the dark boundary is located at the intersection of the microscope's crosshair. The corresponding refractive indices can be read from a scale. The result depends on the interpretation of the user and often differ between users. That's our Abbe's refractometer. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching.